Good morning everyone. Welcome to our Chacha Go Kids Basketball League Season 7. Sa ating first game, Maxi Stars versus the Jersey Haven ng ating 9 under division. Good luck.
Lucas right here. Chua right here. Chua right here. Chua, other side, other side. Chua, Chua di depan. Rogo, Rogo. Rogo, go here. Rogo, depan, depan, depan. Oh, keren. Seperti apa, Pak? Saya tidak tahu.
Jump ball. First ball mapupunta sa mga naka-orange.
Get one!
Number 17. Pinasa corner. Short. Out of bounds.
11 seconds at the shot clock.
11 second shot clock to shoot. Steal ng Maxis. Hugo, nagmamadali. Number 6. And there's a walang tawag ang ating referee.
Harap, Tyler!
Mesiano, Lucas, all the way too strong. Number 14.
Offense!
No good. Rebound by Manalo. Steal by number 17. Pass to Lucas. Nagay sa kanilang big man. Tumira, wala. Offensive rebound. Nagagawan. Mapupunta ang bola. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Thank you, Coach. That's a jump ball.
Coach, paupuin mo yung mga bata mo dun.
8 seconds at the shot clock.
Manalo waiting for his teammate. There's a foul.
Foul number 5, Lucas Mesiano, his first personal first team foul for Jersey Haven. 14 seconds at the shot clock.
14 second shot clock to shoot. Number 24. That's a 3 seconds violation. Mesiano, binigay sa corner. Jump shot, no good. Rebound, number 14, no good. Makukuha ng mga naka-orange. Mesiano. Ay na, nagagawan. Steal by number 24. Crossover. Rep.
Flaring foul number 17, Robert Atanawan, his first.
Rep.
Second team foul for Jersey Haven.
Thank you.
Shot clock at 19 seconds.
19 second shot clock to shoot. Sino ang matatanggap? Steal by number 17 and out of bounds. Time remaining 2 minutes and 12 seconds.
13 seconds at the shot clock.
14 second shot clock to shoot. Number 24. The number 1 steal by Lucas. Mesiano all the way and 1. Para kay Lucas Mesiano.
Foul number 1, Luis Alvarez, his first personal first team foul for Maxi Stars. Bonus tackle for Lucas Mesiano.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 1 seconds. Lucas, no good. Rebound. Kick out. Number 17. That's a traveling violation. Bola rito ng Maxis Tires. Number 1. Pass to Manalo. Manalo, pinilit. Pass ka dyan.
Oh, you get number 17.
Tabla tayo sa dalawa.
Oh, get your man.
Shino, binigay. Number 14. Use their height advantage. Basket yan para sa number 14. Number 1. Didiskarte. Number 1. Running shot. No good. Offensive rebound by number 17. Number 17. Pass to Lucas. Meshano. Jump shot. No good. Rebound. Number 17. Sumalaksak. No good. Jump shot dyan. Pasok ng pasok. Malaki na ang kalamangan ng Jersey Haven. 6-2. Last 25 seconds. Number 1. There is a foul.
Oh, number 17, Robert Nakagawa at his second whistle. Great foul for Jersey Haven.
Last 19 seconds sa ating game clock. Bola rito ng Maxis. Motor, no good. Coach, shout out kay Coach Blue. Number 1. Good, 3 seconds, 2. But there's a foul. Warning for full court defense ang Maxis Tires. Mandatory substitution.
Boys, support tayo ha. Macho. Defense tayo,
Bola rito ng Jersey Haven. Second 5. Uy. Steal. Number 8. Sumalaksak. Tumira. Basket is good. Ayan. Jersey number 8. 8-2 tayo. Number 6. Running shot, no good. Rebound. And that's a technical para sa Maxis Tires.
Maxi! Lapit! Maxi!
Technical Maxis Tires for full-court press defense.
Bonus shot para sa Jersey Haven. Para kay Scott Sai. Bonus shot, no good.
Get your man, Wancho! Waki, tao ka, Waki! Get!
Scott Sai. Running shot is good. Gusto pala. 2 points ang Scott Sai. Scott Sai with a steal. Sai, nagmamadali. Ayan na. 2 against 1. Pass to Garcia. Garcia. Druid, strong drive. No good. Rebound by Scott. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound. Block. Makukuha ng Maxis. Ayan na. Number 7. No good. Steal by Scott. Side, derecho, all the way. Basket is good. Lumalaki na ang kalamangan ng Jersey Haven. Bad pass.
One shot, ako mo!
Bola rito ng Jersey Haven. Scott. Size. What an extra pass to number 15. Nabitawan nga lang. Pass to number 22. Jump shot. Short. Rebound by Scott. Number 99. Short. Rebound again by number 15. Strong drive. Oy! No basket daw po, sabi ng ating referee. Time remaining. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. See, the jump shot is good. Ah, sorry, that's so.
Jamal! Okay, tao yan!
Scott Sai, may tangan ng bola.
Ansap!
One extra pass, number 15. Too strong.
Go, go, go!
Rebound ng Maxis. Pass to number 7 to number 8. Number 8. Extra pass, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Scott.
Harap! Harap!
Side, derecho. All the way. Basket is good. Balik sa 10 ang lamang ng Jersey Haven. Running shot by Sol, no good. Rebound again para kay Garcia. And that's a traveling violation. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Shongo, pass to C. Cross, jump shot, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Garcia.
One shot!
Garcia. Oh, steal by number 6. Number 8. Stop and pump. No good. Offensive rebound. There's a foul by Garcia.
Number 99, Scott Garcia is first. Working now for Jersey Haven. Two free throws for Wacho Lee.
Lee, no good. Second shot para kay Lee on the free throw area. Jersey number 7.
Tyler! Let's see!
Lee, swak na swak yan.
Go, go! Get your man!
Para kay Lee.
Justin! Tao mo!
Last 55 seconds.
Na!
Scott, pass to Garcia. Garcia with atake. Uy, nakalusot. No good nga lang. Rebound. Chua, block by Lee. Mapupunta kay number 8. Uy. Number 8, derecho. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Scott. Sai. What an extra pass to number 9. No good. Rebound by Tyler. Pass to Lee. Ay na si Lee. Ooh, basket yan. Babasa 7 ang lamang ng Jersey Haven. Scott, nagmamadali rito. Scott. What an extra move. No good. Rebound. Number 15. Blocked by Lee. And And that's the end of the first quarter.
Record, Jersey Haven.
14-7 in favor of the Jersey Haven. Alright, magdadako tayo sa second quarter. Second quarter. Number 24. Pass to number 21. To number 24. No good. Rebound by number 24. To Manalo. No good. Rebound by Garcia. Garcia. Stop and pump for 3. No point. By Garcia. Ay na, Manalo. Binigay sa loob. Steal by number 17. Number 17, running shot. Nakalusot na naman si number 17. Number 23. Number 5, no good. Number 14, beautiful back. 21 and then 7. Still.
All yours!
Lucas nagmamadali all the way. Basket. (23-7). Number 24. Basket by number 24. Mesiano. Crossover. Binigay sa corner. Jam shot. No good. And there's a foul.
All number 31, Dustin Fan, is served.
Montedora on the free throw area.
First shoot down, the box is five.
First shot, no good.
Rebound! Rebound!
Second shot para kay Montedora. No good. Offensive rebound, number 14. Pass to Lucas. Nasok na naman. 25 and 9 ang ating talan. Number 24. Whoop, steal by Lucas. Back to Lucas. Lucas, wala extra pass. Yun lang, nabitawan ng Garcia. Out of bounds. Bola dito ng Maxi Style. Number 24. Oopsie. 8 second shot lock violation. Napatungan doon ang Maxi Stars. Bola rito, mapupunta sa Jersey Haven.
Yellow shoes! Yellow shoes at the side!
Mishano, running shot, no good. Number 14. Oy! Basket is good. Ayun na ang Maxis. Nagmamadali rito. Number 24. Number 24. Steal. Nagagawan. Pass number 6. There's a foul. Foul number 99, Garcia.
Jersey Haven. 14 seconds on the shot.
14 second shot clock to shoot. Manalo. Kick out. Steal. Steal by Manalo. And there's a foul.
Oh, number 99, Sebastian Garcia, his first personal. 17 foul for Jersey Haven.
Manalo on the free throw area.
Can we go to the other side? Can we go to the other side? Yeah. Sebastian, go there. Okay.
Exact 1 minute. Manalo get the first shot in the free throw area. Second shot. Manalo swak na swak. Last 1 minute. Ating first 5 sa second quarter. Lucas. Uy, pass to number 15. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Manalo. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Get the shot. Too strong. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Jersey Haven. Lucas. Nagmamadali. Lucas. Binigay kay number 14. Nabitawan. Time out. Jersey Haven.
27 seconds. Ulit eh, no?
Come on, get your man!
Back to the ball
Prince,
game.
tambo!
Bola ng Jersey Haven.
15 seconds on the shot.
Luis!
15 second shot clock to shoot. Number 14. Pass to number 17.
May inbound play pa.
Hoy.
Our ball, our ball!
Last 25 seconds. Number 24. Tumira, no good. Manalo, short. Rebound by number 14. Pass to number 17. Derecho. No good. Number 14. Garcia, wala. Dito na po. Nagtatapos sa ating first. Oh, mandatory substitution.
Wancho! 15!
Second 5
15!
sa ating second quarter. That's a traveling violation.
Maxis ball! Maxis ball!
Maxi Stars basketball. Number 1. Kaya na buck. Inipensa number 17. Back pedal number 1. Sasalaksak. Tumira. No good. Rebound. Ayan na si Scott. Side, dire-diretso. No good. Rebound ng Maxi Stars. Number 1. Crossover. Spin. Pass to
Nice pass!
number 1. Uy, libre doon. Wala. Rebound. Mapupunta kay Scott. Sai. Atake. No good. Rebound. Number 14. Top step. No good. Offensive rebound. To number 17. Pull up J. Basket. Using the glass. By jersey number 17. Bola rito ng Maxi Star. Steal by Scott. Scott mamadali. Nidepensa number 1. Nakalusot. Si number 8. Time out daw. Time out. Maxi Stars. Ayan naman natin ang hadal ni Coach Nick Ka ng Maxi Stars. Back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 27 seconds. 20-point lead para sa Jersey Haven. Lumaki na ang kalamangan ng Jersey Haven.
Tyler.
Number 1. Oops. Naipit. Alvarez to number 8. Number 8 nilagay sa corner. Ooh. There's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 7, Lee. First shot, no good. Lee, no good. Rebound by Alvarez. Alvarez, didiskarte. Alvarez, spin. Stop and bump. Too strong.
Galing mo, no? Liit lang eh.
Scott Sai. Cross. And there's a foul. Bola rito ay ng Jersey Haven. Number 17. Running shot, no good. Rebound by number 15. Ooh. Bad pass. Out of bounds. Alvarez. Taka na bola. Ooh. Nakalusot. Alvarez. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Scott. Sai. Sky atake. And that's a 3. Over foul. There's a foul.
Black ball!
Jersey Haven basketball.
Yugo!
Shoelace muna tayo. Alright, back to the ball game. Alvarez. May tahan ng bola. Alvarez. Nabitawan, naka-recover. Alvarez, pupunta sa kanan. Alvarez, running shot. Swak na swak. Sai. Setting on the screen. Scott. Ooh, too strong. Rebound. Pass to Alvarez. Alvarez. All the way. No good. Leaving the rebound. And gets the putback. 31-15. Number 8. Step back to 1. Para po by Scott Sai. Alvarez naman ang babawi. Uy. Setting on the play. Alvarez. Cross. Running shot. Nakasagot si Alvarez doon. Last 22 seconds. Scott gustong makabawi. Sai, atake. Ayan na. Advantage. Kayang-kaya daw niya ang loob. Ayan na, Alvarez, last 4 seconds. Alvarez, running shot. Ooh. End of the first half. Official score 35-17 in favor of the Jersey Haven. Okay, magkakaroon po tayo ng free throw shootout for additional score ng magkabilang grupo. As of now, ating official score 35-17 in favor of the Jersey Haven. Okay, first ball, ang susubok, ang Jersey Haven muna. Dadaan naman tayo sa Maxis Tires. Okay. Ayan natin ang magiging official score natin sa second half. Okay, back to the ball game. Ano po ang ating official scores? 20-35. Nadagdagan ang Maxis Stars ng 3. At wala naman para sa Jersey Haven. Third quarter. Number 24. Uy, nakalusot. No good. Rebound ng Jersey Haven. Ayun na. Oh, nagagawan. Steal. Oopsie. And that's a traveling violation. Mercado. To Lucas. No good. Oopsie. Warning pa lang ata. Warning Jersey Haven for wood court defense. Bola rito ng Maxis Stars. You behind the back, looking for his teammate. Pass to Manalo, and that's a 3 seconds violation. Mesiano sumalaksak, and there's a foul. Oh, the jersey number 24. Lucas Mesiano on the free throw area. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Lucas. Swak na swak. 37 and 20. Number 24, you. Fade away shot, no good. Rebound by number 6, too strong. Rebound by number 14 of Jersey Haven. Lucas. See the cross. Lucas, running shot, no good. Rebound by number 27 to number 24. Oy! No good. Rebound number 7. Basket. Walang tawag. Ang ating referee doon. Napakabilis na pangyayari. 37, 22. Mesiano setting on the screen. Mesiano.
Nice pass!
Uy, what a pass. Number 19. Basket is good. Ayun na, number 24. Double dribble. Bola rito ng Jersey Haven. Lucas. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Manalo. Pass to number 6. Number 6 to Tyler. Steal by number 9. Nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Bola mapupunta sa Jersey Haven. Lucas. Mesiano. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Lucas. Lucas. Oh, there's a foul.
You go forward. His first possession. Second team Alexis Sparks. Full free throws for Lucas Mesiano.
Lucas Mesiano on the free throw area. First shot, no good. Second shot para kay Lucas. No good. Rebound, number 19. Oopsie. Makuha ni Lucas. Mesiano. What an extra pass. Number 14. Steal by number 24. You. Nabitawan. Naka-recovers. Tyler. Pass to Manalo. Basket. Para kay Prince Manalo. Ayan na, Lucas. Setting on the screen. Ayan na, nagagawan. Makukuha ni Lee. Lee, uy! That's a blocking foul. Para kay Lucas. Mesiano.
Number 5, Lucas Mesiano, that is second personal. First team foul for Jersey Haven.
Medic. Sub.
Substitution.
You go. Louis, please.
Let's go, Luis.
Wala natin.
Black ball.
90 seconds on the shot clock.
You go.
Ty.
There,
And
just
for an inbound.
Go.
Okay, sa corner. Lee. No good. Prince with the teardrop. No good.
Go, just
Rebound by Lucas. Mesiano nagmamadali all the way. Basket by Lucas Mesiano. Last 8 seconds. You. Uy, no good. Prince with the rebound. See? Mandatory substitution.
And another substitution.
Idadaan na sa ating second five. 41-24. Naman pa rin dito. Ang Jersey Haven. Let's go. Oopsie. Yes, sir. Alright, official timeout.
And
Alright.
this is the respective practice.
Next to Alexander, one. Lapit.
Tingnan muna natin ang huddle ni Coach Sean. Coach Sian. Bola daw. Bola. Bola daw.
Hindi may, hindi may. Satisfied. Ako na yung bag ko.
Tyler.
Okay.
Ano, okay na?
Ay, wait lang pala po. Labo po.
Boys!
Alright, while waiting for po para sa ating stats. Ayan, muli maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ating liga, especially sa ating mga sponsor. Chachago Kids Basketball League Season 7 would like to thank Across City, Sista, Pure Nectar, Jersey Haven, Maxis, Vito's Barbecue, Charm Pet Food, and Scavolini. Ayan. And shoutout sa ating Commissioner Coach T.Y. Tang. Happy viewing po. Ayan, pagpasensyahan niyo po muna at iba po ang aking nagamit na pang live ngayong araw. Dahil nagkaroon tayo ng problema sa ating sports cam na ginagamit sa pang live. Kaya for the meantime, ito muna ang ating gagamitin. Bola rito ng jersey. Oh, sorry, that's the Maxis Stars basketball. Here we go. Second 5 ng third quarter. You running shot, choosing the glass. Yes, sir. By Tyler Yu. Scott Sai. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Tyler. Yu, nagmamadali. Ay na. Running shot, short. Oy, sayang, di nabot. Yung number 6 ang bola. Let's go. Scott Sai. Oy, nakalusot. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Tyler. Yu. Dere-derecho. Oh, good. Rebound by Prince. No good. Offensive rebound, but there's a foul. Jersey number 8.
Make two, make two.
Number 8, Scott Sai, his first personal. That's the second free throw for Jersey Haven.
On the free throw area, jersey number 27, Prince Manalo. Swak na swak. Second shot para kay Prince. Manalo's basket is good. Bola rito ng Jersey Haven. Pull up J, basket. Para kay Scott Sai. You, Tyler. Behind the back. Uy, cross. Tumira, too strong. Rebound ng Jersey Haven. Garcia. Derecho. No good. Rebound by number 14. Montedora. Basket. Tyler Yu. Didiskarte. Pass to Prince. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 14. Pass to Scott. Sai. Ay na. Derecho. No good. Good defense para sa Maxis Stars. Manalo to you. You behind the back. You lumipat sa kaliwa. Sumalaksak. Basket yan. Baba sa 15 ang kalamangan ng Jersey Haven. Scott Sai, kick out, number 22. Uy, walang tawag, ati referee doon. Number 22, tumira, no good. Pushing foul. Bola rito ng Maxis Stars.
Number 15, David Montedora, his first.
Pass to Tyler. You. Nabitawan. Pass to Manalo. Manalo. Running shot. No good. Rebound. No good. Outlet pass. Number 9 to Scott. No good. Rebound by Prince. Nagagawan. Ochoa. To Manalo. Manalo rito. Nagmamadali. Manalo. Running shot. No good. Rebound ng Jersey Haven. Ayan na si Scott. Uy! And one. By Scott Sky.
Number 24, Tyler Yu, his second personal. Free throw for Maxis Stars. Bonus free throw for Scott Sai.
Scott Sai on the free throw area.
Rebound.
Sai on the free throw area for a bonus shot. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ni Manalo. Manalo, binababa ang bola. Manalo. No good. Rebound. Short. Rebound by Garcia. Garcia. Tumira sa 3. Short. Wala pa rin. Number 14. Woo. There's a foul. Foul number 6.
You go for the second personal. Working foul for Maxi Styles.
Sino si Yugo?
Putting at the line, Henry
Sino si
Montecore.
Yugo ko? Yugo ko. Sorry, Yugo ko. Yugo ko.
Number 14, no good. Rebound by number 14. Pass to number 23. Short. Rebound by Manalo.
Go, Tyler!
Pass to Tyler. Oy, no good. Ochoa, no good. Rebound by number 14. Pass to Scott. Sai. Bounce pass. Nabitawan. Steal by Tyler. Pass to Prince. Manalo, nabitawan. Steal by Garcia. Garcia. There's a foul.
All the number 24, Tyler Lee, his third personal.
2 seconds.
Official timeout or official substitution. Garcia, second shot on the free throw area. Time remaining 2.8 seconds. 2 and 1. Oy! Mabigan pa. And that's the end of third quarter.
At the end of the third quarter, score 37 for Gracie Haven, 30 for Maxi Styles.
Okay, end of the third quarter. Official score 47 and 30 in favor of the Jersey Haven. Ay. Tingnan natin kung mahahabol ng Maxi Stars ang laro. 17 point lead para sa Jersey Haven. And I hope na maging okay dito si Mercado. Natamaan nata yung kanang mata niya. Okay, dahil na sa ating fourth and the final quarter. Tignan natin kung mahahabol ng Maxi Stars ang laro. Number 14, no good. Rebound, number 14 again. Block by Lee. And wala na ata. Technical. for full court defense.
Full court press.
Hindi pwede dito mag-full court ang Jersey Haven. This is the biggest lead of the game at 17 points. Bonus shot para sa Maxi Stars.
Wala natin!
No good.
Carpio! Get the ball! Carpio!
Wala ng block.
Shot clock 20 seconds.
Uy, nataman. Steal. Garcia. Uy, good. Nagagawan. Pass to Lucas. Uy. Uy. There's a foul.
Foul number 7. Juan Feliz, first. First team foul for Maxi Stars.
Shooting the line by Lucas Mesiano. Basket is good. Second shot para kay Lucas. Second shot, no good. Rebound, mapupunta ang bola.
Outside!
Sa mga nakitim, Lee, nabitawan. Pass to Ochoa, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound by number 14. Pass to Lucas, nagmamadali dito. Lucas, no good. Wala pa rin, rebound dito ng Maxis. Lee. Pinababa rito ang bola. Lee. Pinagay sa corner. Pass to number 12. Nabitawan. What a dive by number 14. Nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng Maxi Stars.
Shot clock at 6 seconds.
6 seconds shot clock to shoot.
Ochoa! Ochoa!
Manalo, pass to Lee. Lee nabitawan, out of bounds. Bola dito ng Jersey Haven.
Go! 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 Please, go!
Lucas, pass to Scott, all the way, basket. It's good. Time out. 20-point lead, binigay sa corner, nabitawan.
Hey! Defense! Prince, tao mo! Luis! Good more! Red!
Ayan na, Scott, Sai, para extra pass. No good, offensive rebound, number 14, no good. Wala pa rin, number 14, block by Lee. Scott, no good, rebound again by Scott. Tumira, wala, offensive rebound, number 14, no good. Lucas with the block, makuha ni Prince. Pass to Lee. Lee. Oh, steal by Lucas. Nabitawan, naka-recover, Prince. Manalo with a strong drive, no good. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 20. Number 17, no good. Rebound. Ayun na, nagagawan. Pass to number 14. Here we go. Tumira short. May save ng Maxis. Number 12. Go. Pass to Prince. Manalo, binigay sa corner. Jump shot, too strong. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Jersey Haven.
Stay here. You go!
6 minutes and 17 seconds. Bola rito ng Jersey Haven. Binigay sa corner. Uy! Basket by Scott Sai. 52-30. Lee, stop and pump. No good. Rebound. Oy, steal by Ochoa. Tumira. Basket is good. Ay, Ochoa. Mabasa 20 na naman ang kalamangan ng Maxis at ng Jersey Haven. No good. Rebound by Prince. Pass to Lee. Lee. Nagmamadali. Lee. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Scott. Sai. Nagmamadali rito. Derecho. And there's a foul.
All number 7, watch your lead after second position. Second team now.
Mandatory tayo.
At the free throw line, Scott Sai.
Scott Sai on the free throw area. Hindi mo na kayo. Basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni Prince. Pass to Lee. Lee, pinagay sa corner. Number 7, no good. Rebound by Garcia. And out of bounds. Mandatory substitution.
Wala natin.
53-32 ang ating dalaan.
Green.
You short. Prince with the putback. What a nice shot para kay Prince there. Lucas 4-3. No good. Rebound by Garcia. No good. Get the shot. No good. Rebound by Scott. Sai. Too strong. Rebound by number 19. Pass to Garcia. Garcia with the jump shot. No good. Rebound. What an extra pass to Scott. Too strong. 24-second shot clock violation. Bola rito ng Maxis Tires.
Substitution.
Carpio coming out. Ochoa coming in.
Justin. Ayun, ilalim na.
Tyler Yu, pass to Prince. That's a traveling violation.
Prince, dribble. Yuko, half-court. Half-court lang, half-court.
Lucas with a running shot. Basket.
Lucas Cristiano.
Tyler, pass to. Uy! And there's a foul, number 27. Time remaining 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Lucas Naitangan na bola, binigay sa corner. Number 19, the jump shot, no good. Makukuha ni Scott, fade away shot, no good. Rebound by Lucas. Pass to Scott, and there's a foul.
Foul number 27, Luis Manalo, that is second.
Shooting the line in jersey number 8, Scott Sai. First shot, no good. Second shot para kay Scott Sai. Scott, no good. Oy! What a nice shot by Garcia. What a steal and what a nice shot. You, nakabawi doon. That is Tyler Yu. Ayan naman si Lucas. Dedepensahan ni Ochoa. Lucas, pass to Scott. What an extra pass. Tinigay. Uy, makukuha. Na good. Steal by Mercado. Pass to Lucas. Lucas tumira, no good. Rebound. Last 2 minutes tayo. Tyler Yu with a jump shot, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ng Jersey Haven. What an extra pass. Lucas, kick out. Garcia with a jump shot. Basket by Sebastian Garcia. Timeout. Maxis Tires. Time remaining 1 minute and 38 seconds sa ating fourth and a final quarter. Official score 59-36 in favor pa rin sa Jersey Haven. Tingnan natin ang huddle ni Coach Nika rito para sa Maxis Tires. Okay, back to the ball game. 36-59. Let's go. Number 24 pass to number 6. Number 6 running shot, no good. Rebound by Sebastian Garcia, nagmamadali, running shot, block there. Ayan na, nagagawa na makukuha ni Ochoa. Pass to Prince, Manalo. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by Garcia. Last 1 minute and 6 seconds. Sebastian, tumira sa 3. Oy, short. And out of bounds. Last 58 seconds remaining. You, Prince, tumira sa 3. Too strong rebound. Makukuha ni Sebastian Garcia. Naibaba ang bola rito. Garcia, pinasa sa corner. Tumira, pasa pala yun kay number 14, no good. Lee, bounce pass, fade away shot, no good. Rebound, out of bounds. Bola rito ng Maxis Tires. Ayan na ang Maxis Tires. Manalo gets that 3 point by Prince Manalo. Baba sa 20 ang kalamangan ng Jersey Haven. Sebastian Garcia. Last 7 seconds. 6, 4, 3, 2, and first game. Nice game para sa Maxi Stars. And congratulations sa ating Jersey Haven. And congratulations po. Alright, our final scores 59-39. Panalo po ang Jersey Haven. Alright, babalik tayo para sa ating second game, ang Charm Pet Food versus Davitas Barbecue. Ay, pare.
I got you, though.